In this edition of the MC Minute, we'll dive into the participant experience by showing how mentors and mentees log conversations. Participants can log conversations in 3 ways. First, post-session surveys. They can log conversations through a short post-session survey accessible on their participant dashboard. Mentors and mentees are prompted to answer questions related to a specific conversation, such as how they communicated and general topics of discussion, as well as additional optional questions about their experience more broadly. Participants are nudged to report their conversations in this way, as it's the most comprehensive way to gather conversation insights. Second, through conversation check-ins. If a participant hasn't completed a post-session survey in a while, Mentor Collective's automated messaging will check in with them to ask if they've had any additional conversations. If they have, they simply send us a message back with a number representing how many conversations they've had, and that will be added to their conversation count. Third, through peer-to-peer SMS relay backfill. If a participant is not responding to conversation check-in messages, Mentor Collective's system will look to see if they've been using the peer-to-peer SMS relay with their counterpart since they last logged a conversation. If there have been at least 2 text messages sent for each person in the mentorship, 1 conversation will be added to their total conversation count. Conversation data is a powerful way to learn more about what's on the minds of your students. Explore how to access these data through your partner dashboard, as well as how to leverage these data strategically by checking out the how-to resources in our Partner Knowledge Center. Thanks for tuning in to this month's MC Minute.